Hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMA Sanket Pandit. So how are you all? So finally the date sheet of the examination is out and the exams are starting in December itself. So many requested that please give us study plan कैसे करना है, क्या strategy रखना है. तो I am here with that video. So first thing I would like to tell you, now you can imagine you have 60 days left. Okay, on and around you have 60 days left for the examination. So if you are going to give one group, what should be your strategy? If you are giving both the groups, what should be your strategy? If I think if you were giving the examination in October, already your studies might be over. If you were giving one group, so you can start your revision, and please keep in mind these strategies. This will surely help you in the upcoming examination. Whatever my experience is there, I can make sure that these strategies will help you. First thing I would like to tell you, please focus on that 40 marks that are MCQ, fill in the blanks, one word, one sentence, because these 40 marks will help you to pass the examination. I have also created MCQ 2.0, so you can refer it. It also has short notes in it if you want, or else you can refer whatever material is available. But my ultimate aim is, please focus on these 40 marks. These 40 marks will not require that much of hard work. If you read 500 MCQs, you will be able to solve the MCQs. If you read 40-50 short notes, you will be able to write these short notes. So these 40 marks are very important. Then second comes numerical solving, or you can say typing. So for this, you will require a special dedicated 1 hour or 2 hour of practicing. See, ultimately the portal will be available soon now. I think as the dates have also rolled on, so the portal will be also available very soon. Till the portal is available in Microsoft Word, you can start. You can start the 2 MTPs which the institute has released. You can start these 2 MTPs टाइपिंग, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली पोर्टल भी जो देंगे उसके अंदर टाइप ही करना है. तो जब तक पोर्टल नहीं आता, टिल द टाइम पोर्टल डजेंट कम, you can start solving MTP1 or MTP2 in Microsoft Word. Yes, the symbols and all whatever is there, institute will clarify, but till that time at least typing the journal entries or typing the numerical or something like that, or typing the short notes, you can practice. So please give a dedicated 1 hour for typing, because what will happen, abhi exam aa raha hai, now just 60 days are left. So at least in this last 60 days na, you should focus on the areas which will fetch you marks, like 40 marks MCQ. क्योंकि पूरा साल, even if you have not studied MCQs in last 6 to 8 months and you study now, it will surely help you and it will fetch you good marks. But if you don't study now, then these cream marks which are there, जहां लिखा तो सही मार्क नहीं तो 0 mark, that surely you should target. Second thing is, please focus on numericals, typing in Microsoft Word, and soon I think institute will come up with the portal also. That time you can practice on that portal. Third is, as far as revision is concerned, I would request each and everybody that now the time has come, you should start your revision. Already you might have studied a lot, तो अभी रिवीजन कैसे करना है, तो यू कैन डिवाइड योर वन डे इनटू 50-50. whatever, if you are studying 8 hours daily, then 4 hours you study one subject, remaining 4 hours you study one subject, or else you can study 3 hours one subject, 3 hours one subject, 1 hour MCQ and 1 hour typing, because these two things are very important and these two things are new. If you don't do these two things and you just study numericals and short notes, these marks you may lose. So this is my suggestion in revision phase. Start easy numerical से शुरुआत करो, then gradually move. Now sir, what we should do, how we should do revision, like directly Microsoft Word में typing करें क्या? My answer is no. You solve on pen and paper, and ये क्या है, already you will solve the numerical. It's just like you have to type once on the laptop. Yes, it is a difficult task, you will require practice, but for doing revision, don't directly do it on Microsoft Word. please practice it on pen and paper because your concept clarity is more important. This is just a presentation कैसे type करना है. So when you will do revision, please make sure that you are doing with paper, pen, and then 1 hour, as I told you, you read MCQs 1 hour and you do the typing 1 hour. That time that practice will be done. Last thing I would like to tell you that now this is it, मतलब यही एग्जाम का टाइम टेबल है. नाउ आई वोंट यूज द वर्ड एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज ऑनलाइन और एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज फ्रॉम 8th December. दिस इज फाइनल. यही एग्जाम है, यही एग्जाम का डेट है, यही एग्जाम का मोड है. तो प्लीज यू ऑल्सो मेक योर हार्ट क्लियर कि हाँ भाई ये है. इफ यू विल मेक योर हार्ट क्लियर कि हाँ ऐसा एग्जाम होने वाला है, देन ग्रेजुअली some pressure will be built on you and you will start studying. But if you will feel नहीं नहीं अभी भी postpone हो जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा, ये तो पहले भी करे थे postpone, then there won't be any seriousness और एग्जाम आ जाएगी और आप ना यहाँ के रहोगे ना वहाँ के रहोगे. तो as a friend I am advising you all that please follow these strategies. This will surely help you. These MCQ strategy I always tell from intermediate syllabus 2016 की करो करो करो. But now earlier it was for 28 marks, now 40 marks. There might be one word, one liner or one sentence, but if you will focus it will surely help you. यहाँ से देखो ना आप, if you are able to get at least 20 to 25 marks out of 40, I am not telling, we all are average student, आधा ही आएगा. 10 क्वेश्चन है तो 5 ही सही आएगा, 5 तो गलत हो जाएगा. Then also if you are able to get 20-25 marks, then hardly you require next 20 marks, which you can cope up by doing the short notes, by doing 1-2 numerical, जो भी hard subject है. बाकी में तो अपन पूरा 100 करेंगे. लेकिन if some subject is very tough, then you can focus this 20-25 marks, इतने निकाल लूंगा, and then 1 or 2 numerical, some short notes you can write and you can clear the examination. So this strategy is very important. Divide your day into 2 parts. Early morning you do one subject, in the afternoon you do the other subject. Don't take कि यार पूरा दिन एक ही subject कर रहे हैं. It will not be advisable as far as my personal opinion is concerned. So you divide it into 2 and definitely you will gain success. And my best wishes with you. I will come up with more videos when the mock test and or portal will be out, how we can type or what are the things you should take care of. I will definitely try to come up with more videos, but now please start studying. This is final and you are waiting from last 8 to 9 months to give the examination. Your family is waiting for from 8 to 9 months to give the examination. Now the ball is in your court. Hit it out of the pavilion and make your family happy. This is it. Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye bye.